Hello guys. Now, 2 months ago, niliongea na Gen Zs. I talked with the Gen Zs, nikawambia make sure you have your IDs all ready. Now, the D-Day is here, and that is tomorrow, 29 September 2025. Registration of voters is here, guys. So, tomorrow, make sure mmetokelezea. Go and register to become a voter. That way you have the power in your hand, because 2027 is around the corner, and you will use that power to elect leaders that you yourself want. Ile spirit mulikuwa nayo wakati munaenda maandamano ya 2024 na hii ya 2025. Use the same spirit to come out tomorrow and register as voters. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya, because Kenya is our business. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.